Use a handcart to carefully transfer the product into position. Note: if the product was tilted more than 45 degrees, it is recommended to wait at least the amount of time it was tilted before plugging in the product. In this example, refrigerator straps were used to pick up the washer and place it on level ground. Lift the product and position the slider under the legs. You can open the door and grip the inside tub to help gently lower the product. An air sled can also be used to carefully move the appliance around a room. Once the product is in place, remove the shipping bolts. Now let's level the unit. Use the provided tool to adjust the top nut to the frame and the lower nut to raise or lower the legs. Install water hoses. Turn on the water. Install the drain hose. This product has a lint filter on the top right corner as shown. Detergent and fabric softener reservoirs are located at the bottom.